Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm going to do a simple smoky eye tutorial today. Just something super simple, basic, with a little bit of glitters for the holiday seasons that's coming up. So yeah, let's go ahead, jump right into the tutorial. I have my base done, my eyelids are primed. I'm going to pick up a bronzer shade and work that into my crease. With a fluffy blending brush. Pick up any brown bronzer shade that you like. I love using my bronzer onto the eyelids. It's a beautiful color. I've got my crease done. I'm going to pick up a gel eyeliner. This is by Kiko Milano. This is the shade, it's black, it doesn't really say any shade on it. I'll be honest, I didn't like this as an eyeliner. It was too liquidy. It doesn't even have a gel-like consistency. It doesn't set, it creases, it moves, it budges. I didn't really like it. So I wanted to give it a try as a base for the black smoky eye I'm going to be doing right now. So I've got it on my flat shade brush. I hope you guys can see. I'm going to lay this down just up to my crease. I'm not going to pass my crease. And don't worry if it's messy because I'm going to work with it. Okay, right on top of that, for it to set, I'm going to pick up a black shade. Go. Any black that you have. Set that down. And pick up a blending brush again and blend that out. Now, I'll warn you that this will take you a very long time. Long time meaning at least 5 to 6 minutes per eye to blend your eye shadow. Whereas, because we're working with blacks, that's why it'll take up a lot more time. But have patience, take your time. Once it's all blended, it'll look beautiful. Okay, so this is the most I could do. It still looks messy and even, but don't worry, we're gonna make it work. Next, I'm going to pick up the Swiss Beauty Metallic Glitter. This is in the shade 06. What is it called? Molten Midnight. And I'm going to pick it up with a flat shade brush. This is a clean one, by the way. This isn't the one that I picked up the black gel eyeliner with. I'm going to lay it down on the entire lid space. Oh, that's beautiful. It's like a silver bluish glitter with obviously black undertones. Can you see it? It's gorgeous. I really like it. Next, I'm going to pick up a silver glitter, like a liquid glitter eyeliner. I don't even know who this is by, but I'm going to run this in my crease. We're going to fast forward this. I'm sure you guys all know how to do it. Just going to bronze my face. Contour my nose a bit. I'm going to pick up a very neutral baby pinkish blush. Okay, the falsies are on. I'm going to now highlight the inner corner. I'm waiting for the glue to dry also. Just pick up any highlight color that you like. I'm picking up a shade from my palette that I've created. I'm going to run a black kajal in my waterline. Like a mauvey pink. It's not like a brown nude. And I'm gonna top that off with Inglot Sleek Cream lip gloss in number 91. To pick up a waterproof mascara. This is Luminous, L'Oreal Voluminous Carbon Black. This is one of my favorites. I just love it. We're gonna wait for that to dry out. And that is it for the look. Excuse the messy hair, but I'm just at home. I'm too lazy to try and fix my hair. I hate doing my hair, in case you guys didn't know. Well, now you know. And that is it for the look. This is the first time, I'll be honest, this is the first time I've done a smoky look, and I actually like it. I didn't think it would work out. I thought I'd actually end up deleting the video. I'll not end up shooting the whole thing, but it turned out pretty good. I wouldn't say it's perfect, but I wasn't going for a perfect look. It turned out pretty darn good. I like it. It's perfect for the holiday seasons, weddings, functions, and whatnot that's going on. If that's your vibe, go ahead, give it a try. Let me know in the comments down below as to how you like it. Also, do let me know what are some of the other things that you want to see. I have a lot of people asking me questions about skincare, like skincare tips. I'll surely be doing those also. Yeah, that is it for the look. Thank you guys for stopping by and watching this video. Really appreciate it. Thanks. Bye.
Yeah.